Hello and welcome back to our channel. I hope you are all well and in good health. During the holidays, we did decide to go to a few, places, being the Boxing Day sales and whatnot, and we did go to Cheshire Oaks. Obviously sometimes, with the pricing and whatnot, obviously like some stores, they don't have good sales and whatnot. But what I think for what we've picked up, it was a really good bargain. First thing, so I will do a mini haul for you, and for this we've got children's clothing here. So what we have here is a Adidas Man United kit, should I say, and it comes with these shorts. Let me just show it properly. It's got the shorts underneath, and I've obviously got it for where he can wear it. My little one can wear it in the summertime. Really nice shorts. And obviously it comes with the top. And the added bonus were the Adidas socks. Really nice. I absolutely like these socks. I didn't know, obviously, that it came with the socks. But I think it's, for what it's come with and how much it was, I think it's absolutely, fantastic, the pricing. There was only a few sizes left. So I think, obviously, it must have sold out pretty quick. But, no, definitely like this. So that's one of the things we got. From the same store, again, Adidas, we got a two-piece set. This was on sale too. It's like a khaki green type Adidas sweatshirt, and it's got the pants to it as well. Matching pants. I am really into this kind of thing at the moment. Where they're obviously like a nice set. They always are really good. To wear. Definitely a win-win, especially as it was in the sale as well. And the colour's really nice too. It's a really nice green shade, and I really like that. The first thing my little one immediately picked up when he got to the store was these Adidas shoes. And obviously I feel like every boy his age loves Lego, and anything to do with Lego, cars and whatnot. And these shoes he absolutely loved. Really, really nice shoes. It's got the logo, the imprint of the Lego, and the colour. I think they were red and yellow, but I thought for everyday wear, I think I preferred him to have yellow to it. So it's got the Lego sign here and inside, and obviously the Velcro, so it's easy for him to put on. Take off and put on. Really, really well. Really nicely made, and I think they will last long as well. So definitely. Really, really liked these shoes. Whilst I'm at it, I'll also show the back side, the underneath to it as well. Really nice. The imprint of the Lego bricks. Really, really nice, that. Definitely. So I think he will definitely get a good wear out of these. So at the same time, obviously from Cheshire Oaks, we went to the neighbouring retail park, and I felt like he really needed some black skinny jeans. So I picked up these from River Island, and there's just something about them, He has had quite a few black jeans, and I've just never liked them, the style and everything, and how sometimes they just look like they've been overworn too much and whatnot, and it's just never this like jet black. And I feel like this was definitely a good bargain as well. Really good find. Although I did pay full price for these, but for what they were and from where they were, I feel like they were really good. Last but not least, we visited the Nike store at Cheshire Oaks, and I decided I needed another set for him. And what I went for was obviously the Nike two-piece set. Another dark colour, should I say. It's obviously sort of navy blue, and I feel like this colour is really nice, but I think there was only one colour actually. It was just this, I think, unless there was a grey, but I think I would have not chosen the grey anyway. But this was full price. So as the other one was obviously in the sale, the Adidas one, but this in the Nike store, I just felt like for the price, it couldn't go wrong with it. So I paid full for this, and yeah, I think he'll definitely get a good wear out of this as well. So as a whole, this is our mini haul from the Boxing Day sales. You know, the shoes. We've got the Nike 2-piece set and the Adidas Man United kit. We've got the Adidas 2-piece set, and of course the black skinny jeans from River Island. And that's our haul from the sales. If you are not subscribed already, do subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment. There will be a part 2 to the video where we will be showing part 2 sales for what we got for the girls and, you know, the women. So this is basically what we got for the little one. And don't forget to subscribe, so when we post our next video for the part 2, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you did enjoy our purchases and, you know, our haul. And we will see you on our next video. Bye for now.